LHV in the UK is split into 3 divisions. You've got a savings team that's based out of London. You've got an SME lending team, which is Manchester and London. That came about a few years ago from an acquisition. And you've got the banking services team that's mostly based in London and Estonia as well. So the services that we're providing from a banking services space is a core product set of euro payments, of pound payments, of accounts, of safeguarding. And we've also got an ancillary product set, which is card acquiring, very, very new news actually, open banking we'll be providing, FX solutions as well, card issuing, and that's mostly why we're here today at Money20. So we're trying to be a stable, tech-first, API-driven banking as a service provider for small fintechs, and that's what they need. They just need a kind of shoulder to lean on. They need to build their brand. They're building out their customer experience. We're just going to kind of sit in the background. For larger fintechs, for those big guys like Coinbase, or we're doing 10 years with Trustly as well, like 2 massive companies. They need a little bit more, not hand-holding, but they want more from us. And they expect more from us. So we provide them with data-driven insights on payment volumes across the world. What they might do, I'll give you an example, right? So if you've got like a large fintech that wants to launch in a specific country in Europe, let's say that they've been dominating the space in the Netherlands, and they're like, Germany's the next hit for us. We go, right, so we're doing 10% of the SEPA volume across Europe. We've got all of the data for Germany. We'll go to them and we'll go, right guys, so here, this is the German market. This is how you can launch. These are the things that you need to look out for from a banking perspective. And that's what you get with the likes of Coinbase and Trustly and Airwallex and those kind of guys. We're growing rapidly in the banking services space. We've 2x'd our payment volume year on year. We're looking to do that again this year. And that business line is going to continue to grow because these fintechs are so good at what they do that that's going to kind of grow without us touching it really. But an area of the market that is kind of untapped for LHV is providing services to merchants or marketplaces. They are looking, much like others, for a banking provider to give a bank-like experience to end users. So if you think about an Uber or like an Etsy, someone like that, they've got millions of customers and they do millions of payments. How can LHV provide a service to that particular client? And ultimately, the products and the services that we provide to fintechs are going to be very similar to what we want to provide to marketplaces, but we just need to figure out how to do it. Is there a demand? We don't want to launch a product and then all of a sudden no one uses it, right? So it's taking some time to figure out where we're going to go in that space. But hey, watch out for some press. Hopefully we can release something soon.